Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, let's talk about the trailers of Hot Rod Drag Week. So, I know a lot of guys every year, they always go onto, the Facebook pages and they ask, hey, what should I do for a trailer? What do you guys do for trailer? Post your trailer pics. Well, what I've done over the last couple of years, I've taken a bunch of trailer pics. Some from 2019 Hot Rod Drag Week, some from 2020 Race Week 2.0, and from 2021 Hot Rod Drag Week. So here I'll post a few pictures up of mine. I'm actually going to change mine. Now that I've used this version of it the last 2 years, this is a little top heavy for what I'm doing. You can see I've got the tires mounted down low here. I've got a cooler up front along with a gas can. Then there's another little storage box right here, and what I'm finding out is, this thing being top heavy, when you get in windy conditions and stuff, I don't know, I just don't have a lot of confidence in it. The other thing I noticed this year is this caved in, this area here. So because this sits up high above the car, the top of the car, the wind is caving this part of it in as well. So it's just sitting up too high for the car. I need to get this down lower down here. I'm thinking what I may do is enclose this whole thing and then create some sort of lid that, lifts up like this so then I can get into it. Or maybe, tilts off to the side and then I can have a couple legs where I could create like a workbench. So when I flip it over, right, it would come off to the side here and I could create a workbench maybe from it and have a couple legs sit down. So I'm thinking I may change this up, a little bit. Like I said, this Harbor Freight trailer, even with the little puny tires there, have worked really well. The other thing I wouldn't mind doing is getting, whoops, you maybe can't see them, but those little dinky tires have worked out pretty good. They've survived 3 events. I do carry a spare, just in case, something happens. I also actually carry spare wheel bearings as well for this trailer. The other thing I need to do is I need to upgrade the tail lights. These tail lights absolutely suck. I almost got rear-ended twice this year. I do have LEDs in them, but they're still very dim. So I really need to get some good, really bright LEDs. I actually put these lights up top here, hoping they would help people see, as well as the ones down below, but you know what? People are idiots. So I need to make sure I'm gonna get a full set. I'm gonna mount them still up high and down low, so people can see, hey, stop, turn, that type of thing, so, they don't rear end me. So that's another upgrade I need to do. So I'm going to make some changes to this trailer. But what I'm going to share with you guys now is just a bunch of stills of what I've taken for a bunch of different options, right? There's no right or wrong option. You'll see guys just have open trailers, tarp thrown over it. You'll see that, there's no sides on some of them. Again, they just strap the stuff down. Some, use like motorcycle style trailers. You can find those on Facebook Marketplace for $800 to $1,000. People, use them a few times. Some people, have wooden sides. Again, they at least have sides, throw a tarp over top of it. Some, use a bunch of wood. There's several different designs like this out there. Some use the more aero, type top piece here. Mine obviously is very blunt when I put the top on it down here, right? It sticks up, like this tall, and when the wind, hits it, right, that's a big mass. So anyway, there's guys that use car carriers on top. Some guys don't use anything, right? They just throw all their stuff in the trunk, or very minimalist, I guess, when they don't take a lot of things with them. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to throw my tires in the trunk of my car, and then I'll enclose this in down here with something. like I said, have that lid that folds over to the side. So anyway, I'll probably do a video. I've got one video of how I built this version, but I think I'm going to revise it and revamp it and close this, and that will be my new version. Anyway, enjoy all the pictures, guys, of all the different trailers. You know, not maybe every different one, but just a bunch of different trailers to give you guys some ideas on how to build your drag week or race week trailer. Hey everyone, please just take a quick moment and subscribe to the channel. Please like, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you very much, and if you're a current subscriber, I really appreciate all my subscribers for watching the videos. Take care, everyone. So guys, I hope you enjoyed all the different stills that I took to give you guys ideas on what you can do to build a drag week or race week trailer. And then maybe it can be more of dual purpose, right? If you take your car to the track and you can use it for that, you know, just to show off the guys that have to have trailers, you know, to get their stuff to and from the, you know, the track, that you're faster and you can just take a little trailer with some spare stuff. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share. Take care, guys. Have a great day in your shop. Talk to y'all in the next upload.